All right, so I'm just going to show you quick how to set up an IEP meeting. So your Skype should look like this. You go up to this chat, you click new group chat, and then for instance, I have a IEP meeting this afternoon, so I'm just going to make mine too. Okay, so you do have to name it. That's something that's newer, but and then you just go through. And again, this is where you have to make sure that the people are your contacts. So I just have to look at my um, invites so I know who's coming. Okay, sorry to go dark for a little bit, but you just go through, and as long as they're in there, again, since I use kind of a lot of ones, they show up, but if you can't find them right up here in the front, you can go ahead and search for their name. They'll pull up as well. So then you just highlight their names, and once you see them all up here in the group, you click done, and then it will create this new meeting. Now, the thing that is kind of the main part of this is that when you call a phone number from your group, you can't add that in until after you've started the call. So I can't show you how to do that. Besides, when you start the phone call, um, you know what? Maybe, maybe I'll just add you to a new group chat and I'll show you. So, the main thing to remember too is that you have their phone number saved as a contact. So I'll also show you how to do that. So just I'll start this phone call. And then once everyone's kind of picked up, hey Megan, I'm just kind of screen-o-maticing the thing so I can show you how to add a parent. Is that okay? Because I can't do it without starting the phone call. So, and again, I'm just going to talk through it so that I can just record this once and share it to everybody. Okay, so you got to make sure that your parent is in as a contact. So you click on that dial pad. Even if you don't have them in as a contact, you can just type in their phone number and 25214, and then that will call them. And you just click call, and then it will add them to the phone call. Okay, I'm going to send you this. I'm going to kind of stop recording. I know, sorry that it was awkward, but I just had to show how you added a parent, because I'm I can't really start my own meeting. I don't want to call a bunch of random people. So, but I think you'll be able to see how to do it. So let me get it into a YouTube video, and then I'll send it your way. Yep. Bye. So just making sure when you do have the meeting, before you add the parent, just make sure everybody on the Skype is on there. And then, like I said, you just go up to kind of that top corner. It should be like a add person button or whatever. And you should have a dial pad and you can put in their phone number. Their phone number you can find here in student info. You can also find it on their IEP or if you have it written down elsewhere. So good luck.